Hello everyone, this is Rafthelsa Vlogs online with my two best friends from Cyprus. This is me, Rafthelsa Vlogs, right here from Germany, live here with my beautiful friend Joliet from Papos and Riza Elima from Papos, Cyprus. So while we are chatting, we are eating. So ito na mga bisdak ni guys. So mga Pilipino diha, mga bisdak ni. This is a bisdak group. Kini si Rafthelsa. No, may kinalaparag na ang dire. Kini si Risa. Nya kini si Joliet. Kuan siya, co-trainer ni na ni sa Cyprus before we are a trainer, OFW trainer conducting training for OFWs in Cyprus, sharing our talent and our skills. I am conducting the training for jewelry making. So, ito yung mga sinuot ko. This is my creation. This is a Swarovski zircon diamond with real gold. And my friend, she is a co-trainer also in Cyprus. She is a beads crafting. So pakita daw imo mga kuanggang mga project diha. Sample ba? And she is a new blogger. She just created yesterday a new channel, and she's going to share with you her skills and her talent, and she will show you her creations, and she have many beautiful creations to show you that you can also try to learn from her. She will be conducting also online tutorial through YouTube channel. So her channel is Jewel channel. So look at here. This is one of her creation. So na siya gang bag. A small handbag, baby. And this one is gang.
It's a bag, small bag.
Small bag, oh, very cute.
Made from?
It is made of beads and string or fishing twine.
Fishing twine.
And she have also key holder. The design is puppies, mga dugi puppies. She is selling online. If you are in Cyprus, or if you are in the European zone, so you can order her creations. Tagpila na gang. So she is selling €5 plus the postage if you are going to order. So all in all, €10 with the postage through DHL. Pwede na lang. Even in Germany, you can sell that one €10. Kay mura lang naman ang DHL.
And then it's not heavy. It's a little bit light. So.
And also this lady in the center, she is a singer. She is working right now in unsa imong hotel. Promote ko na yung hotel dia kay manay mag-check-in.
Aquamarine Beach and Spa Hotel.
Yeah. And Papos.
To go to the spa to make relax.
She is.
I am one of the therapists. Massage therapist.
Oh, massage girl. So if you are watching right now from which country you belong, and if you want to plan to visit Cyprus, then you can book your what is this, accommodation through hotel and spa. What is this? Aquamarine Hotel from Papos. Papos is one of the tourist destination in Cyprus. So pakita pang imo mga kuanggang mga project dia. So now we are promoting the product of my friend. She is having now a new channel in YouTube, which is with the new channel name is Jewel, JUWILL. So she will be conducting a live tutorial through YouTube. So panoorin nyo guys kung gusto nyo matuto mag-gansilyo, gumawa ng mga key holder or whatever. Dili kinang tuhog raman na siya. So in my channel, you can also find my DIY project like Beadworks or jewelry making. So you can click my playlist, Beadworks tutorial from Rafthelsa Lives. And you see, this is a Hello Kitty bag for the girls. This is made of beads and fishing twine. How much that one?
This is 20.
Yeah, 20. So if you are in the European zone, so you can order through online, through her channel. You can leave a comment and you can order through her or direct to the seller. Ganda oh. Mahalin dyan na ginahinay gang i-promote nagtagsa-tagsa sa imong channel.
Bako mali ang mga kuwan.
So guys, abangan nyo ang kanyang mga, panoorin nyo ang kanyang channel, yung kanyang mga video. I-review niya lahat yung mga creations niya para makita nyo yung mga iba-ibang design sa kanyang mga project. So you can order online. She is in Cyprus. And this one is a cell phone bag.
May kasi laon may kay mo ano eh.
Mo man na iyang kuan ka ng isa na ka ng masterpiece. Her masterpiece is beads crafting. That is called beads crafting. For me, my masterpiece is jewelry making. So it is beadworks. That is the term for jewelry making is beadworks tutorial. So truly yours. Truly yours. Oh, kini akong gawa, kani akong kwintas tis oh. Ako ning gawa. Oh. Zircon diamond ang kuan ni bato tinuod ni, nga bato.
Yeah.
Diamond, nagbling-bling na siya, bling bling.
Nice kayo.
Kaning chain 18 carats ni.
Kay mo hindi mo uy.
Ako man ay mga business sa una nya karon ang nabilin, kuan na lang mga tag isa-isang piraso para souvenir na lang sa ako. Kay unsa may ato ipakita? Puro Hello Kitty na imong bagang.
Yep.
So this is her masterpiece.
Hindi siya ano ng Hello Kitty, hindi siya fans.
Hello Kitty.
Dolphin og mga butterfly,
Imo.
Parrot.
Dang mahalin na siya sa mga girls. Hello Kitty. Mahalin na siya.
Yep. Sa mga bata po. Mahalin na.
So while we are chatting, iting-iting sad mi guys, oh. Nagsubo-subo sa dire ah. Kaya nagbuto man.
And now we're going to just sitting still.
Unsa na siya gang? Ha? Crochet nga Hello Kitty. Guys, that is a Hello Kitty but made of crochet. See? So that is her creations. Nara. Pakita dia kung kita kilid din akong kamera para makitaan kada. Diyo yung mga baby, mga ballet dancer dress, ballerina.
Saan yung Hello? Ang sa mga keychain? Asan yung Hello Kitty na malaki? Pila mo na siya? Pamangkoy kwarta. It's not too big, but I can make you a little bit bigger.
Tagpila na gang? 10. Guys, that is
mag-asawa ba na ka ng blue ay ka ng girl and boy. Ayun sa kumpaningla, order pa lang po.
that is a Hello Kitty partner, 20 euro plus postage. Maybe it is 25 euro if you will order.
Hindi pa
Ug naday mag-order nga taga European side. Ano ka ba? You can pwede na nimo i-post sa DHL lang, mura lang ang DHL. An kana tagpila na?
Kanang mo-order ko ng dagan-dagan para one time lang. Nice kay showing.
Cute ka ayo oh.
Kato, akong gusto ka to laging i-decorate na ako dito sa akuan ba, katong Hello Kitty na ako.
Ah.
Wala kay dako ato? Wala.
May pa ako na lang din i-live ning atong chika-chika ron kay naka-direct sana unta to sa live ron. Sige lang. So guys, look at her collection. Oh, ano yan? Putsak na ako ng sandal or footwear. You see,
ikaw di gang sali ang sa naman imo ang mga hindi ko put.
Naaman. Ang uban. Gipang hatag na sad nako eh kinawa na kay butangan diri.
Lagi.
Ang ako mga na.
Wa mo gud sa Cyprus kay naman pwede magulay pamaligya.
Oh, lagi nga diri kay kon kayo si Chiburechi. Na ba ko hinimo nga mga sunflower nga mga puno nga ang ako kay mangkuan man mga interior decor man, mga home decoration.
Ay, lagi day mo kanang ano, mga grabe yung kay mga talento ani mga Bisaya, mga gwapa ba?
To salamat. Efresto puli. Ang imong pong oh, tasa. Cup and saucer guys, oh. Very beautiful. Pang centerpiece na siya. Yang pwede na butangan og tasa sa sulod. Or baso. Oh, yan. You know, this is a kanang unsa tawag na centerpiece or toast, unsa tawag na kanang toaster?
Taan saucer oy.
Di kay tungtunganan man na siya sa kuan sa tasa or baso. Apple na siya.
Apple na siya o strawberry? Apple kay dako.
Apple.
Pagka nga strawberry.
Kana basket na ako'y basket ana diri duha ka buok pink.
Lumay kay silong. No, basket with flowers.
Oh, kuyawa oh.
Ala oy, magkuan ka na sa panangkuan, kanang Flores de Mayo.
Okay, Flores ra ba di ay gang. I-promote day ng imo kay daghan upalit sa Flores ron.
Buwak-buwak ba?
So guys, that is the creations of Jewel channel. So please do support her channel, Jewel channel. This is
ay naala din siya o tanapa o.
Yan ang may iya gihatag na ko na katong pagkuan namo kuno hay. Gihatagan ba ko niya og flower base gano. Mga beads kana.
Basta ako katong Hello Kitty oy, di ba ko fan sa Hello Kitty good?
So imo lang to kana decoration. Decoration lang.
Gahilig mangugog mga stop toy.
Mga beads.
Uy, na-collection ba ko inaani o gang Juliet? Oh, yes. Naapo diri gamay. Madugangan na siya pag makita pa ko, no? Kutul, 5 ka buok man siguro ni. Yeah.
Mo na imong gipanghimo na ako'y daghan diri oy, sako-sako gipanglabay na nako gang kay wa na ko'y tay maghimo project kay nalabad ni si Purdapya. So guys, this is the end of our vlog for today. This is online chatting with my friend Riza from Cyprus, Papos. So nakita niyo na siya sa aking vlog with her kids, two adorable boys. And this is the trainer for the beads crafting, the one she is showing her creations. She is Juliet from Papos, Cyprus. So please do support her channel.
Thank you very much.
Sa to mo channel, i-promote na diya. Jewel channel and Rafthelsa vlogs. Bye-bye and thank you for watching and God bless everyone. Ciao. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and support our channel, guys. Rafthelsa Vlogs and Jewel Channel.
Bye!
Bye-bye.
Nakita